Good morning, students. Today we will start CSV file. Means read and write operation on the CSV file. Okay. The last class we already studied about the text files and binary file. And this is the last topic of this chapter, the CSV file. Okay. Now start. This. The first thing is, what is the full form of CSV file? CSV file means comma separated values. Is a file format for data stored which look like a text file. Okay, but data will be stored in the form of Excel. In the Excel, data is stored in the form of cells, but when we are using the CSV file, it means data is stored uh, with the help of space. Okay, it is separated by this one. It means the information is organized with one record on each line and each field is separated by comma. That's why it is a CSV, comma separated values, and each line is represent the one record. There are some characteristics of CSV file. First one is the one line for each record. It means each record is stored with each line. Then comma separated fields. Third one is space, character adjacent to the commas are ignored. Okay. It means the space may be treated as a comma and comma may be treated as a space. The fields with inbuilt commas are separated by the double quoted characters. These are some characteristics. Okay. When use CSV file, when we have to use text file, when we have to use binary file, and when we use the CSV file. When data has strict tabular structure. In the text file, data is stored in the form of lines, paragraph. Same, it is similar to the binary, but data is readable in the text form. In the data is not readable in the binary. Then, when we use CSV file, the CSV file is used when the condition is that it must be a tabular structure. It means I already speak before. CSV it is similar, just like Excel. Okay, just like a Excel. To transfer large database between the program, if we want to transfer the data between the program, then we prefer the CSV file. Then next, to import export data to the Office applications. Again, Office application is MS Excel. Okay, because we can say it is just like a format of MS Excel. I will display. To store and manage, modify the shopping cart catalogs. This type of data is, if we need it, then we use the CSV file. Next, there are some advantages. CSV advantage. CSV is the faster to handle. Okay, it means the process of this one is very fast compared to the binary. CSV is a smaller in size, easy to generate. Most important is human readable. Binary file is not readable form. Clear? So we are unable to edit. Text file is editable, readable form. Again, can edit easily, but in the binary we can't read, so we can't edit. Then CSV is a simple to implement and fast. CSV is processed by the almost all the existing applications. It means if we create a CSV file, if we want to convert or open this file to the Excel, it is very easy. Okay, it is supported. Disadvantage, there's some disadvantage. First one is no standard way to represent binary data. Okay, if you want to represent binary data, then we use the binary file. There is no distinction between the text and numeric values. Clear? This is a disadvantage. If we store 101 and RAM, both are the similar. Then poor support of special characters and control characters, special characters not restored. The CSV allows to move most basic data only. Complex configurations cannot be import and export this way. In CSV we can't be create a graph and chart these features that is already in the Excel. Problem with importing CSV to SQL, structured query language. Clear है? But Excel it is good. Then write and read CSV file. It means how to data stored in CSV file with the help of Python and how to read. The first of we have to import CSV. This is the built-in module in Python. We don't have to import and install this CSV. It is built-in. Clear? Then this one is again I am saying it is a similar. If I write new file equals to open. This one is file name is d slash slash. This is the path dot csv w. Both are same. That's same. Okay. Now next file is opened. If file is not exist, then it will create this path. Then next new file writer equals to csv dot writer new file. It means for writing we are using the function. Which function is used? CSV is the file dot writer. Then this is the file object. File object is new file. It means the writer, this function take the parameter as the object of file. Then I write this one. It means the one object is created file, new file writer. Then then we have to start writing. This is the object dot write row. This is the first row. Because we data store in the form of list, this is the first row. Again, similar, this is the second row, third row, then close. Very simple. Next time, the data will be open in the form of read, similar. Then we are using now reader. For writing, we are using the writer, and for reading, we are using the reader. This is the file name. Open, then read row one by one. First row read, then second, then third. Just check. This one. Okay. We open the file. This one. This is the first row, second row, and third row. Okay. Just check if the file is created or not. Open. A dot, it means the current working directory. All files. This one is created. What is written? This is written the Microsoft Excel. It is similar to the Excel. Open with. It is portable. We can import the data in Excel or in text and everywhere, but not in a MySQL. you open in the text, it is space will be display. User ID space, then beneficial. This one. It will take a few minutes. It will open this one. Take a few minutes. Not responding. Open. Okay. It will take. I think this is open. This one. Okay. This one is user ID beneficial 1 XYZ. This 2 and PQ. Okay. It is 2 times open. Okay. This is create. This one again Excel. Okay. The one row is blank, so that the output is this one first. I take this one first, then it is empty, so it is show the list as empty, then next again empty. This is okay. It is very simple, not very hard, and it is easily open in the Excel. Okay, this is the CSV file. For writing we are using the CSV.writer. First we have to import CSV. It is a built-in module or library of Python. Okay, open the file. In normal W we don't write W2A and WT and WB because it is not a binary file. It's like a text. Data is stored in the form as a similar to the text, but file is different. This is a CSV. That's why we are import the CSV. CSV means comma separate values. It is one row for one record, and values is separated by the commas. That's why using there are two function used, writer and reader. Writer for writing and reader for read. Again, writer has the, because we are write the data in each row. That's why we are using writer row. And again, the data in the form of list. An element is separated by the comma as per the list. Then close. It is a simple. Okay. Again, there are different mode: read, write, and append. Append for add the data at the end of file. Okay. Thank you. This chapter completed. Next video or class, we will solve the some problem related to the file handling as per the. Okay.